Hey guys, Jonathan here. Just want to say hello. Have a little bit of a crisis with the Tormach, and I call it a crisis because it was addressed on a few boards, but nobody came up with any solutions. And so I'm watching this beautiful enclosure on my 1100M slowly get where the heck is my finger here? Okay, all these cracks are coming out of the woodwork on the Lexan. And so we just drill stopped them, drilled a hole, and drill stopped 3 of them. Spoke to my good friend Joe Clay, who does a lot of work on marine stuff, and he works with a lot of Lexan and plexiglass and all that stuff. So he actually put his finger on the plexiglass, and I said, "What's wrong, Joe?" He says, "The problem is that your edges are sharp, so they cut the Lexan with a saw or a mill or whatever, and they left a very sharp corner, and that builds up a lot of stresses on the edge, and it's hence why we make radiuses on all sorts of parts that we make, so it spreads the load out." He said, take the glass out, or take the Lexan out, and sand those edges down. So any guys who are putting their mills together, take some 320, 400 grit sandpaper and sanding block and knock those sharp edges down. That's what's causing the plexiglass, the Lexan to crack. I had left several of them loose after I saw the one start to crack, and now I've got literally a crack in 3 out of 4 of them, and I've got the rubber gasketing on and everything, but Joe says that it's because the Lexan was left with a sharp edge. So quick 2-minute, help you guys out. Hope everything's going good today. I got a bunch of videos I got to put together. Having lots of fun with the Tormach. Fighting with Fusion, okay? One thing to learn the CAD program. It's another thing to learn the CAM and the manufacturing side of the program. And now I understand why John Saunders, Rob Lockwood, and all these other guys are having so much fun trying to get features to be machined. I got a bunch of parts that I've been working on, and it's just hours and hours and hours. Now I understand why it takes 10 grand to prototype a mold or do anything, because it's like you think you got it, and then you don't got it, and you can't select features, and it's the tool paths are fighting you. So all my earlier videos where I claim victory, like this is so easy, yeah. Anyway, guys, talk to you soon.